Alright, it's about 6:45 on Sunday morning. Me and Trailblazer Tim have got all of the kayaks loaded up, and we're about to go out on the Indian River and scope out some spoil islands. This should be a really fun trip. Hope the water's nice and calm. Gonna be doing a little coffee and a little cooking along the way. You won't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Alright, me and Trailblazer Tim have arrived, and man, we're gonna head out to those islands. The river's nice and calm this morning. Man, this should be a great time. Alright, me and Trailblazer Tim are out on the water. We are heading to this island directly in front of me, and we should be there in just a few minutes. Alright, looks like Trailblazer Tim's moving out in front of us a little bit. We're almost to the island. I keep hearing the Gilligan's Island theme song going through my head. Just sit right back and hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from Jorgensen's Landing aboard these tiny ships. All right, land. Land. What is this? Wet foot, dry foot? Wet foot, dry foot? Now we're citizens again? I claim this island in the name of Florida Boy's survival. I've landed here and it is mine. All right, this is so cool. Me and Tim have been wanting to come out on this island for a long time. And it's a nice camping island. Some nice spots. I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you see. So that's where we were. We got a little picnic table. We got our boats over there. They have a grill, a fire pit, a trash can, and nice flat spots for tents. Man, look at this. Holy mackerel, we're gonna be camping on this island pretty soon. I'm gonna take a walk and see what's going on. I'm still hearing the Gilligan's Island theme song in my head. I don't know. Oh man, there's a little trail over here. Wow. It goes on back. It's red. It's pretty thick back there. But we're gonna take a little recon. Message in a bottle. There ain't no message in there. Okay. This is pretty cool. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Hey Tim, I've always wanted to do this. Hey Gilligan! Skipper! Marianne and Ginger. All right, let's get some coffee going. Whew. Man, you telling me? We get our stuff out of here. That. Gonna cook up a little surprise later. It's a surprise. Ah, there's Old Faithful. All right, there we go.
Alright, let's get some coffee rolling. Man, it's beautiful out here today. What do we got? I don't have to dig everything out of here.
We got our stove going here.
Alright, let me get mine out too.
Oh man.
A bunch of visitors too early. Like the gnats are bad. There's a ton of them.
This is that little $10 pocket rocket that I have, you know?
Yeah, mine's similar to that.
Yeah, this is the little $9 thing. Oh man. Pour my carefully measured amount of water. All right, that ought to do it. Oh man, I got the coffee on. That's gonna go. All right, man, we got some trails through the woods on this island. This is so cool. Man, these islands are pretty wooded. Timbo's behind me. And now we come through to a big trail through the woods. Yeah, come this way, man. I think Tom Hanks is up here somewhere. Castaway. Wilson!
Wow.
Yeah, look at this side, man. Now we got, look at these palm trees for hammocks and stuff. Yeah, look at these palm trees for hammocks and stuff. Perfect. It's nice and high. Big Australian pines. Little fire pit here. Somebody cut a tree down. And you still got beach access right down there.
And somebody had a little fire pit already set up here. Okay. Much higher.
Yeah.
Over here on the northeast side of the island. Over here, the water's a lot more calm.
Yeah, you can't hardly hear the road over here. This side is so much better than the other side. Now though, right over there is only a couple hundred yards away.
There in 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's only a couple hundred yards away. I think that we're gonna have to go try to explore that one. What do you think? Maybe. This side's nice, right? Wow, some porpoises cutting some bait out there. Look at that. This is why we live in Florida, man. We got it made. Alright, this is really cool. Me and Tim came out on the island. I cooked me up some bean soup for breakfast. Oh man, it's great. And this is actually going to be on a Canteen Cup Tuesday. I'm going to leave a card in the upper right hand corner to Canteen Cup Tuesday. Y'all go over and see that. You're not going to want to miss it because this bean soup is awesome. But this is really cool. This is the first time that Tim and I have explored the islands. And there's several islands down here in the middle of the Indian River. This is really, really nice. I think we're gonna try maybe another island or try the higher side of this island. If we're gonna go camping, it's much quieter on the other side, but this is just a nice little Sunday morning trip, man. I mean, it really was. It's nice.
Great. We got a chance to get out and stuff and make something of the day.
Man, this soup is good. Be sure to watch my Canteen Cup Tuesday in a couple of days and you'll see how to make it. This is really, really cool. If any other YouTubers want to come down and do collaboration with me and Tim, come on down. We'll come on out to the island and we'll go camping. All right, so let's get this eaten. This is a nice breakfast brunch on Sunday. Tim's got some spam ramen spicy thing going on over there. We'll check that out in a minute. All right, a couple of boats rumbling through. It is such a nice day out on the water today. Me and Tim decided to go right around the other side of the island. So we're gonna go right on this tip of the island that you see on the right side of the screen. We are gonna go right around there and check out an alternative campsite. So I'll check back with you when we're there. All right, Trailblazer Tim's out in front of us, blazing the trail, even in the water. Good opportunity to stop and do a little fishing. Throw a topwater plug out a few times, see what we can get. Probably nothing. Looks like some, I don't know whether you can see it over there in the distance, right in front of the kayak, right over there. Got a boat pulled up and some people on that pulled up to the other island. You know, these are public islands, so I mean, there's no permit needed, no reservations needed, no nothing needed.
First come, first serve.
Yep, first come, first serve. Just try not to burn the place down. I guess nothing could happen if it burned down anyway. It's in the middle of the river.
Well, and it's starting to get later in the morning, so people are coming out more.
Oh yeah.
So, like anything good.
Yeah.
Hire good things.
Oh yeah. We're gonna stay and throw a couple of casts out here, and then I think we're gonna pack it in. All right, we made it back. Starting to get a little warm, a little sweaty out here. Whew. Man, this was a fun trip. Starting to get a little bit of boat traffic now too, as people putting in right there. But me and Tim are gonna load up the kayaks, and then I'll see you when we get to the house. All right, we're back at the house now. Everything went great. Loaded up, got some nice lunch, got my nice bean soup. The old SS Swamp Gator performed perfectly, no issues at all. Me and Tim found a really, really cool island that I guarantee you we're gonna do some overnight camping at. So cooked up some nice breakfast, did a little bit of exploring, a little bit of fishing. All in all, it was a great day. So there's my island adventure for the winter time. All of y'all in the snow, eat your heart out. And once again, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, and I will see you on the trail.